If you drive a BMW M3 or M4, whether it's an F Series or a G Series, you already know these cars run hot. And when they're damaged, these are some of the hardest parts to source. Here at Rennen, when we rebuild cars, we go into the market just like anyone else. And honestly, the prices are ridiculous. The waiting time, out of line. And the quality, just no. So we did what we always do when the market just isn't delivering. We imported our own stock. Engine oil coolers, water coolers, auxiliary coolers, radiators for both F Series and G Series, M3s and M4s. These coolers are brand new. The quality is spot on. And the best part, the price is actually fair. No 6-week waiting period, no agent price stock. We have them on the shelf right now. This is your sign to check out Rennen. We've got the best quality and the best price. Drop your VIN, WhatsApp us, call us, whatever works. We'll make sure your M stays cool the way BMW intended.